Josh is having some coal. Just then, Pickles came around. That's the 5th load of coal you've had today, Josh, said Pickles. Some might say you're being rather greedy. Huh, said Josh. Huh. If I own 3 engines, 3 tenders, I like to have 3 persons and to get the shit out of a red engine. Then Jax came by. I like 3 tenders, please. Alright then, the choice is yours. Me and Douglas are having them at the station. And also, we'll see you around there. That water looks salted, said Jax. Don't be vulgar, said Josh. Just then, Josh was having a word with Devious Diesel. It's better luckily to have 3 tenders on your back. Sweet Diesels are taking over. Rubbish, said Josh. Then Josh met at the station. What's the matter, Josh? Diesel said that Diesels are taking over. Sad to say, you won't be having any more tenders. You only have 1. Josh was depressed. I'm not happy, said Josh, and fell wandered away.